There are cute ones. There are funny ones. There are even downright cuddly ones. But the tongue is something that's gotten a lot of people into trouble. You know what I mean? Now there are small ones, scrunchy ones, pudgy ones, long ones, and downright cute ones. Hey, this one could blow you a kiss. Well, this one could blow you a bubble. Oh, yeah, snoring has caused this scene in many a house time and time again. But you know what? There's all sorts of stuff. There's all sorts of spices that you can use. I remember tennis balls sewn in the back of a coat. Take a look at all these ones here. How would you like to go to bed with something like that? But you know what? If you really, really love somebody, you'll figure out something that you can do.
Hi, ladies. We have a problem. Hopefully, in a month or so, Tida and Da will be moving into this house. But we have a new lady coming today, and she'll be in the same room with Tida. Tida snores loud. Ah, what are we going to do? What are we going to do?
I don't know.
I don't know. What are we going to do?
What I don't know.
You have a good idea. What is it, Tida? Ah,